Okay, last thing that we need to go over. Ooh, I misspoke. Second to last thing that we need to go over today is one, the location of all of the cranial nerves, and two, the function of the cranial nerves. Okay, so we're going to work with the location first. So hopefully this view of the brain kind of looks familiar. What you have is a similar view to that brainstem model. Okay, so this is the most inferior. If you just took a brain, flipped it upside down, that's what we're looking at. All right, so we can basically just go ahead and label. I'm going to go by the Roman numerals. Well, actually, I'm going to use normal numbers, but I'm not going to write out their names because that would be atrocious. So anyways, 1. So we have cranial nerve 1, 2, wow. 3, wow. 4, okay. 5. 5 is probably the easiest to see right here. Okay, hold on, let me fix that. Okay, so 5, right? 6. It's right here. 7, 8, 9. All right. Then it goes 10 right here. This is 10 right here. And 11 is the ladder looking thing going along the side here. Okay. 11. And then we go up onto, remember these were pyramids. All right. These guys, that is cranial nerve 12. Okay. So I suspect that you guys have already, memorized their names. So now you just have to be able to identify them on a figure like this, and probably will be this figure. But really, the only tricky part is making sure that it goes 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 down, and then 12 is back up in here. Okay, so just keep that in mind. All right, so next we need to talk about the functions. All right, so when we talk about functions, we're really only looking at, is it sensory or motor? Wow. Okay. Or sometimes they're both. Okay. So for short, we're either looking at S, M, or B. Okay. So we have 1 through 12, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. So what we do is a fun little mnemonic. Some say money matters, but my brother says big brains matter more. Okay, so some say those are S words, so that is sensory. Money matters, those are M words, so that is motor. But is a B word, so it's both sensory and motor. Okay, so you guys get the picture. So some say money matters, but my brother says big brains matter more. Use that with the other mnemonic. Once one takes the anatomy final, very good vacations are had. Keep that in mind. So when, we know optic nerve, it controls eyesight, right? Well, I'm not really looking for that. I really just want to know that it's a sensory nerve. Okay. So make sure we don't get too specific. The Moodle quizzes may mark you wrong if you don't put something other than, or if you do put something other than sensory motor or both. Okay? Okay.